Welcome back to another episode of Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm Rocky. This is my mother Kathy, and as always, apparently, we're going to be in her kitchen, or on her porch. Today's recipe is we're going to do a two-part. This is going to be another dip episode video. This one comes from a lady called Joyce Nicholson. She's Canadian, eh? Eh? Remember what part of Canada, eh?
Alberta, I think.
From Alberta Canuck. So, it is Joyce's Mustard Veggie Dip. It starts with
a 1/4 cup of sugar.
If you wanted to go keto, you could substitute this and use 2 tablespoons of Splenda, but my mom says it's not as good.
Nah, it's not.
Okay. Or if you want to do a 1-to-1, I don't know if monk fruit will dissolve in this, but you might use the monk fruit if you want to do monk fruit for a keto sweetener. So into your sugar or sugar substitute, you can do 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
I always have this at my table.
Yeah. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of your regular old non-fancy plain old table yellow mustard.
And don't laugh, because this is really good.
It is good. It's good to watch her try to get it out.
Oh, shut up. I brought you into this world. I can take you out. This is good, like, on vegetables. And the first time I made it, I ate a whole bag of carrots.
I've had this before. It is good. And the last ingredient is 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is not salad dressing. I don't know.
Mayonnaise and salad dressing are about the same.
Yeah, I think this one could handle Miracle Whip.
But not Miracle Whip.
Not Miracle Whip. I think it could, personally. I like that little bit. I mean, mustard is vinegar, and Miracle Whip's got vinegar in it.
Who cares what you think?
A little more. Well, actually, mayonnaise has vinegar in it too, doesn't it?
Probably. This is also good on meat.
Yeah.
Sandwiches.
Yep. Mayonnaise does have a little bit of vinegar in it. Yeah. This. And just mix it up. That's it. 5 ingredients: sugar, oil, garlic powder, yellow mustard, and mayonnaise. And of course, once you get it mixed up, you need to let this sit. Let the sugar crystals dissolve into the liquid of the mustard and the mayonnaise. That way it's not crunchy. And then just put it in the fridge.
There, it looks disgusting, but it's very good.
Yeah. I know, it's going to be a little crunchy, but...
No.
I could see dipping chicken nuggets in that too.
Yeah, it's good on meat. Very good on meat.
Definitely. So, that's quick and simple. Easy as it gets, and...
Then tell them you slaved over a hot stove all day to make it.
Yeah. Other than the fact that it has to sit for a couple hours, you know, let it sit in the fridge 4 hours and tell me that it took you 4 hours to make this dip. And they never know. Alright, we're going to get this cleaned up and we're going to get set up for the second half of this video. Be right back. Okay, we're on part 2 of this next dip video. It's corned beef dip. This one I love.
It's very, 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 very good.
Great on crackers. Be probably great on anything.
You know what I was
like
thinking?
that.
You know how they make those roll-ups that you buy in the store?
Maybe.
I bet that would be good.
Alright, so we need corned beef, obviously, 1 can of corned beef, and I dare any of you to go to the store and try to find canned beef that's not made in Brazil. The Irish have nothing on the Brazilians when it comes to corned beef. 1.5 cups of mayo. 1.5 cups of sour cream. While she's scooping the rest of that out, I'll start refilling these. And we just had a
disaster.
Yes. Walmart. We just last week bought a 32-ounce sour cream, this size right here.
Yep.
From Walmart. Its expiration date is at the end of this month, like 25 days away. Open it up and it was like cottage cheese inside. It was not sour cream.
It was nasty.
It was bad. So my mom had to go, while I was finished prepping up some stuff for this and the next video, she went to the store and had to buy another thing of sour cream. Thanks for nothing, Walmart.
That's what you get when you plan ahead.
Well, yeah, we tried, and it's not like we planned ahead and never got to it, and it went bad. It was,
Right.
like I say, it was. Today is May 1st, and its expiration date was May 25th. So I always kind of keep in mind that the best laid plans often go awry.
Most often.
All right, and let's see, what else did she? Well, that was the sour cream. Yeah. Okay. Still working on it. Not quite there. Only 5 ingredients in this, so this is another one of those quick and easy to make. This one is keto-ish friendly.
Depending what you put it on.
Yep, depending on what you put it on. You can find a keto version of a cracker. We're going to try, at some point we're going to get some of the keto tortilla chips and bake them off in the oven and see if we can get them to crisp or get them crunchy. Maybe roll some of the keto bread flat and put it in the oven, try to make them crunchy. Let's see if we can do some keto.
Okay, so far we got the can of corned beef,
can of corned beef,
1.5 cup of mayo, 1.5 cup of sour cream, and then we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of dill weed.
Or a little extra, won't hurt.
No, it won't, because we like dill.
And last, it says 1 small chopped onion or chives. We just got a green onion going in there.
Now, you can mix it with a spoon, you can mix it with your hands, but I use my mixer.
Yeah, easier. That corned beef is going to be kind of chunky, so.
Yeah, it says broken up, but I never break it up because I'm going to put it in here and break it up with this. And we're done.
Got some Klingons on the side, some dillweed. Yep.
Now this will get thicker.
Yeah, this is another one you want to put in the fridge and it'll come together and it'll firm up a little bit. So, oh, caught that drip.
Oh, that one.
So yeah, this one here you want to make it in advance. A day in advance would be plenty. Probably at least 6 hours.
And they will get very thick.
It does. It looks a little bit runny now.
That's it. I had to run to the store and the sour cream was runny because it was running with me.
But taste-wise, oh, I got that drip too.
That's because you're a big drip.
Yeah, that's good. And the flavor is going to improve even more as it sits.
Oh yeah.
Crackers would probably be good on celery. Maybe not so much on carrots. Cauliflower maybe. But
I don't know. We'll find out today. We got some.
yeah, we'll find out later today. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you like these 2 videos. These are some good summertime dips that you can make in advance. And like I say, you can make, this one is keto friendly, except for what you put it on. If you can find some keto pita chips or keto crackers of some kind, fantastic. The other one, if you take out the sugar, you could break that with honey too. I was thinking about that later. You could probably substitute honey in that. That wouldn't necessarily be keto, but it'd be a honey mustard dip. But you could sub out the Splenda or the monk fruit sugar for the, or erythritol for the sugar and make that one keto. Good, cool, cold dips to go on your summer picnics. That would definitely have to be kept in a cool tray outside in a picnic to keep them cold because it is a mayonnaise-based one.
Keep it with your potato salad.
But thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.